Coogs, Layla here, back to keep you in the loop. I hope you all had a great week last week. Now let's dive right into this week's events. Start the week off with the annual UH Giving Day. The University of Houston is hosting the 4th annual UH Giving Day at Butler Plaza, which is in front of the library, from 10 a.m. to 2. Join us in celebrating the University of Houston community and showing what we can accomplish when we all come together. You can get information about this year's UH Giving Day and receive great swag. For more information on this event, check out their website below. Later that night, head to the Student Center Legacy Lounge for Trivia Night with SPB. Put your brain to the test from 6 to 8 p.m. for your chance to win a UH hat or blanket from the bookstore. If you can sing, dance, act, or have a unique talent, then this one's for you. For all of the Cougs who want to be in the talent show, you must go to the Student Center Bayou City room from 2 to 4 p.m. on Tuesday to audition for the show. Show the UH community what you've got. Tuesday doesn't work for you? No worries. You can audition on Thursday in the same room and the same time as Tuesday. Wednesday from noon to 4, head to the Student Center North Tower Lawn for the Farmers Market. Come by to check out what goodies your local vendors and small businesses have for you. Thursday, join UH Dining with their DIY Cereal Madness. To reserve your DIY kit, sign up on Instagram at UH Foodie. Then, from 2 to 3 p.m. on Thursday, March 10th, you can pick up your kit in the office next door to the Cougar card office. Finally, follow UH Foodie on Instagram and check out their story to see the how-to video, which will be posted at 4 p.m. This weekend will be full of sports once again. Our softball team will be going against Northwestern State Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday and Saturday's games begin at 6, while Sunday's game starts at noon, both in the Cougars Softball Stadium. Here are some reminders before we go. Utilize your campus resources, whether that be your RAs or your ROCs, the library, writing center, and even launch. Your fellow Cougs are here to help. Spring break is next week. Woo! Whatever your spring break plans are, be safe, stay clean, and most importantly, have fun, because I know I will. Well, that's all we have this week. I'm Layla, and you can find me heading to the beach. I'm just kidding, we still have this week to get through. Bye-bye, thanks for staying in the loop.